Welcome everyone from What's on the Table. This is Prof G and you are watching another episode of Graded, the show where we're not just going to unbox or review a particular statue, collectible, or figure. We are actually going to give it a grade at the end of each episode. So for this video, we are going to do something different. We are going to raid one of the stores of my good friend, Mike.
Welcome to MG Toys flagship store. So this is our second space to accommodate yung mga mass market nating mga clients. Okay, so we are having here mga bear bricks, mga art toys, blind boxes, yan, and other stuffs na matutuwa yung mga bata.
Alright, Boss Mike, turo mo naman kami. What do we see here? Doon sa first section natin dito, sa left side. Ito, nakalagay, MG Toys,
Oo.
bring out the child in you.
Yes, yan yung ating motto, no? So, as myself, no? Pagka nakatingin ako sa toys, tingin ko kagad talaga bumabalik yung pagkabata ako eh. Okay, so itong section na to, this is for our live selling and marketing videos sa ating mga social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, yan. And then,
Ito,
so
Boss Mike, nakita ko sa facade eh. We have here sa facade, we have here Molly. We have here yung kay Ultratech Quicks. We
Yes,
also have here Skull Panda.
yes, so ito ngayon yung in na in eh. Sina Molly, yung Pop Marts, Skull Panda Molly, these are the 1,000%, yung mga malalaki. And then, this is the Space Molly. Actually, talagang sobrang naging in demand tong items na ito ngayon. And then, syempre, si Quicks natin.
Here, we also have here mga Pop Marts.
This is Labubu. Ito yung sikat na sikat ngayon. Si Labubu, collab with Pronouns, Wings of Fortune.
For some reason, what happened? Yung Pop Mart biglang boom. It came out of nowhere. Yung rice nila eh.
Nagpo-umpisa niyan sina Marian Rivera, sina Nadine Samonte,
Daming
Vice
celebrities.
Ganda, yan. So sobrang na-appreciate nila yung cuteness na itong mga toys na to eh, no? Hindi lang siya toys eh, pwede rin siya as parang pan-display mo sa bahay kasi sobrang ganda din talaga niya. And hindi lang sa Pilipinas, naging hit din siya sa ibang mga bansa like Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, yan. So sobrang talaga, sobrang laki ng support ng mga consumers kay Pop Mart. So this part naman na section natin ng store natin, these are the bear bricks. Other stuffs are like also the Labubu ones, the Exciting Macaron and the Habasit version 1 and version 2. And then as you can see, meron din mga paintings, tile cube, tile siya, ang tawag sa kanya, tile type na paintings. Kung tawagin is modern contemporary arts. Yan. Ang isa dito yung idol natin, si Christian Tamundong. Very good painter. Isa sa mga iniidolo ko. And si Distort Punster. And JP Pining. Yan.
Ganda.
So, kasi mahilig din tayo sa art. So, as a display na din, pampaganda ng store, yung passion ko sa painting, inilagay ko na rin dito.
Pero Sir Mike, these are paintings na you're passionate about. Are these your collections or you're selling it? Parang ito ba yung one of those things na okay lang kahit hindi mabenta, okay lang if mabili, okay lang kahit nandito lang.
That's true, Jeff. Actually, these are my personal collections. So, mabili siya or hindi, okay lang. At least nasi-share ko dun sa iba yung kung gaano kaganda rin yung art. Oo, pwedeng sa bahay nila, o pampatagal ng stress, ganyan, or mas lalong gumanda pa yung bahay nila. Oo. Actually, marami nag-i-inquire nitong mga paintings na to. Sabi ko, hindi pa muna for sale. Gusto ko munang pagsawaan.
Enjoy mo
Oo.
muna. Alright. We have two bear bricks here. Ito, we always see this. Actually, not at all na nga eh. Kasi ang bilis nila eh. Once na lumapag, we've been here mga 2 hours na, Boss Mike. And nakita ko, there's like a family talagang pinapakyaw. Halos yung yung ganito eh.
Oh, actually, hindi na per piece yung bili. Per box na. Magugulat ka. Dati kasi mga customers ko, clients ko, mostly are men, mga lalaki. Sabi ko, ang dami pera ng mga lalaki. Might as well yung mga babae din. Ngayon, mga babae, mga clients natin, grabe din. Oo. Meron din silang panggastos para sa mga toys na katulad nito, yung mga hilig nila, yung mga dreams din nila makabili ng ganyan.
So these are yung parang ano ba to? Secret, ano ba siya?
This is a blind box.
Blind box.
Blind box ang tawag sa kanya. So, this box have 6 pieces na na labubu, characters. Yan. So, mayroon dyan na rare. Ito, which one is on the middle. Yan yung pinaka-rare niya. So, pag nakuha, it's like 8,850 pesos na agad. Per piece is 2,400. Okay.
Good luck sa makakuha ng rare na yan.
Actually, ako di ko pa nakikita yun in person sa dami na niya na dumating pero wala pa akong nakita. And another stuff that we have are the COS by Medicom. Ito yung isa sa mga nauso din dati. And hanggang sa ngayon, tinatangkilik pa rin ng mga art collectors or mga enthusiasts ng mga toys na to. So, we have the different colors like the black ones, the brown, and the gray ones. Then, on the middle section, we have this Bergie. It's made by our favorite artist, yung si Christian Tamundong.
Ganda niya, no? Makulay.
Oo.
Very different. Very
Oo.
different.
Pagka may bumili nito, isang set eh.
Wow.
Isang set kagad. Ito, it's not for sale na kasi this is for my store na. It's my personal stuff na.
Personal.
Naubos na yung niya, yung stock niya.
Okay. How about here, Sir Mike? I see a lot more bear bricks here sa taas natin.
Yes,
Can you run down lang kung ano yung what we're seeing right now sa taas?
Yeah, this is the 1,000% bear brick, no? Inspired to ni Banksy, the balloon girl. And then this one si Scarlet Spider. Ito, Banksy again, the flower bomber. Kasi it's a mix of bear bricks eh. Art designs, collab with the pop culture, Marvel, DC, and other stuffs like mga robots, which is ito, si Evangelion.
Evangelion. Sir Mike, question lang, no? So, for the viewers that doesn't understand much about bear bricks, ano ba yung naging appeal ng bear bricks? Ang tagal na niya eh. Sobrang tagal na ng bear bricks eh.
As I said earlier, itong mga bear bricks tsaka mga pop marts ngayon, nakakadagdag ng aesthetic sa bahay eh. Like, pag nilagay, like for example, lagay mo siya sa sala mo, sa side lamps, ganyan. Maganda siya side tables. I mean, yun. Maganda siya. Kaya marami rin na mga collectors ang nababaliw sa bear bricks. So, in this section, I would like to show you yung tinatawag nating gashapon. No, these are famous in Japan. When I traveled to Japan before, I really fell in love with the country and the culture. So, sabi ko, one day sa store ko, magkakaroon tayo ng gashapon dito. So, currently, it's 16 gashapons. Meron pa tayong paparating na 15. So, total of 31. Ito para to sa mga bata. Tsaka isip bata na din. Actually, meron tayong parating mga Gundam, Sanrio, Ultraman, yan. So, nakakatuwa dyan. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung makukuha mo eh. Yun yung pinaka-exciting na part.
Behind our counter, I see Kobe, I see motorcycle, I see bear bricks, and I also see a stormtrooper. So, ano to yung selection natin dito, Sir Mike?
Actually, I would like to introduce you muna sa asawa ko. Nandito siya sa counter.
RIP.
Yan. So, ito mga pang-aesthetic ko to talaga eh. It's a different types of toys, art toys, ganyan halo-halo. So, si Kobe is an art toy made by Fool's Paradise. So, this one is sold out. Wala na tayong makuha niyan. Yung isa Lego, BMW.
Nice.
Then another bear brick. And then yung mga famous na mga robot like Mazinger Z, Grandizer. Star Wars, I'm a fan. I'm really fan of Star Wars, especially yung Stormtrooper. Gusto ko talaga. And meron tayong mga art din dito by Marilu Solano, head bust ng kanyang character. And of course, siyempre, Christian Tamundong. Nandito lang naman, kanyang drawing in pen, paper. Yan. Sobrang fan ako talaga. Kaya lagi nandyan yung kay Christian Tamundong. Hi, Christian.
Okay, alright. How about naman here? I see a lot more art dito. Dito sa ating industrial type na wall here. We have a lot of art. I see a lot of vehicles. Legos ba to? Are these Legos? explain kasi we see a lot of variation ng collectibles.
So, sa business ko sa toys, for almost 5 years, online and itong stores combined, meron kasi tayong mga customers na mahilig din sa cars. So, I decided to have these items din sa stores natin, not only the Legos, but other cars coming soon. Yan. The remote controls and everything. Mga die-cast, Hot Wheels, yan. Meron tayong parating yan. Yun.
Sir, before we go to that section, I see skateboard decks.
Yes.
Skateboard decks here sa store.
Actually, ang mga skateboard decks na yun, nauso na talaga eh. Combined sa art na din eh. Ito pwede mo i-display sa wall. This is the Marvel, the Punisher. No? Siyempre, Marvel fan din ako. So, I really like Badass Punisher na to. Hero na to.
For sale yan, Sir Mike?
Yes, for sale.
How much?
For sale. 6,000.
Sold.
Pan-display. And we also have the other one, the Murakami. Ito special tong item na to. Because this item is personally signed by Murakami himself. Yan, sa San Diego Comic Con. So, very special. This one, I'm selling for Complex Con pala, Complex Con. 10,500 only.
Wow.
Yan. With signature.
I see a lot of paintings over there.
Yes, this is one of my favorite section of the store. These are all my personal collection that I would like to share to the clients or the visitors or the incoming guests. These are all my favorite ones. Ito si Sais, ito yung pinakagusto ko.
Ang ganda
Medyo
niya.
sumisikat na rin tong artist na to. Maraming talagang naghahanap ng painting na yan. And pila talaga, sobrang haba ng pila. Ihintay ka ng 2 years to 3 years para makakuha lang ng isang painting niya. Yan.
Personal collection, Sir Mike?
Yes, oo. Kasama niyan si ito. Sais din to.
Mm.
Itong sculpture na to, these are all 1:1. Kumbaga, ang maganda sa painting, nag-iisa lang talaga. Oo. Yan. And then, we also have this from Yabut. Ito, medyo may pagkarakista yung dating eh. Kaya nagustuhan ko eh. Iba-iba kasi yung tema sa mga paintings eh. May malungkot, may masaya, may rock. Yun nagustuhan ko sa kanila. Oo. Ito sa mga favorite ko din. Dati kasi kinailangan ko ng pera eh para maitayo tong store. Naibenta ko yung malaking ganito, 5x4 feet ni Jade Swayan. Kaya tuwan-tuwa ako nung nakakuha ko nito kahit ganito lang siya kalaki. Dahil sobrang fan din ako ni Jade. Oo. Ito by Luke Alarcon. And then Jory. Marami akong Jory eh. Ayan. Yun. Si Ola. Yan.
We see here, sa back part of the store, a lot of shelves.
Yes.
A lot of space pa. And I see comic books, I see different types of collectible. I can even see shoes. I can even see yung mga smaller bear bricks, may hot toys. What is this? What is this section?
Actually, this section is to cater yung mga retailers natin, no, na gustong magkaroon ng store, no, na kasi naramdaman ko rin yan dati as an online seller. Hinahanapan ka ng proof saan ang store mo, ganyan. So kami ang aming adhikain dito is to give them a better chance para makabenta, no. So these are all consignments nila. And then also have cos, robots, and everything. Name it. Kasi nung una kami nagtayo dito sa kabila, ang daming hinahanap sa akin. Kaso lang hindi ko kaya lahat i-provide. So that's the time na naisip ko na magkaroon ng ganito para matulungan din sila. Yung mga retailers, I mean. And of course, the consumers. To have a better or wider range of selections ng mga gusto nilang bilhin.
So if I want to be part of the MG Toys Collectibles family, I have my own collection na I want to display here and I want to somehow consign this is where I want to be.
Yes, it's perfect kasi we are catering those people, customers from the south. Oo, like from Las Piñas, Parañaque, Bacoor. So, kung doon kayo nakatira, this is your chance naman para magkaroon kayo ng store dito sa magandang mall na to, like Parkal Mall.
Plus, Sir Mike, I remember you mentioned if you're part of the MG Toys Collectible family and you have like a shelf here, they can also use your podium sa harap
Yes.
for a live selling.
Yes,
Diba?
yes.
They
For
can
free.
use that. For free.
Oo.
Okay.
Pwede yan. Basta meron lang kayong mga nag-online selling or live selling, pwede nyo gamitin. Mondays to Wednesdays. Actually, dito sa MG Toys, natutuwa ako palagi kapag yung mga consignees nakakabenta. Tulad nito, nakuha si Wembanyama. Wala na siya dito. Kanina lang nakuha na siya. And yung si Funko Pop Jollibee na glitter. O kahit ako gusto ko yun eh. Kaso, syempre, clients first. Yan. And then, meron din tayong mga hot toys dito. Ito. Iron Man. Yan. Meron na rin nabenta dito. Yung Dragon Ball. Voltron. Nabenta rin. So, yun. Tuwan-tuwa ako pagka ganun.
Sir Mike, meron akong question. Meron kang hot toys dyan. And then meron tayong mga Coach bags dyan. Michael Kors
Ito.
sa tabi.
Oo.
Perfume.
Oo, yan.
Bakit?
Actually kasi upon observation ko, no, kapag ka pumapasok yung couples, yung lalaki lang naiiwan. Yung babae, lumalabas na. So, she's showing no interest talaga dito sa loob. So, para naman ma-invite ni lalaki, si Mrs. makapasyal dito sa MG Toys, yung style ko rin, ganun kasi yung style ko. Yan, syempre, yan. Meron tayong mga items para sa mga babae.
In short, kung gusto mo ng hot toys, bigyan si Mrs. ng Michael Kors.
Yes, correct. Or perfumes, nandyan din. But this one is, I think mga 3% lang naman ng total sales dito sa MG Toys. Mostly pa rin is mga toys pa rin. So, pang ano lang siya. Parang pang giveaway ni Mr. K. Yan. So, yun. Doon sa mga gustong mag-consign pero nag-worry na baka kukunti lang yung foot traffic, don't worry kasi bakit? Kami na mamamblema doon. Kami yung hahakot ng foot traffic as the owner of MG Toys and Collectibles. Yan. So, don't worry. Basta lang passionate ka sa gagawin mo and masipag ka and naniniwala ka, everything will be okay. So, what's next dito sa MG Toys? We also going to have mga Gundams, what else? McFarlane's, yan. So, very wide selection, ano? And we are accepting pre-orders, ha? Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, baka inisip nila, in-stock lang ang binibenta. No, we are also accepting pre-orders. And, what else? Next plan, maybe sana magkaroon ng office. Yan. So, yan ang akin dinidream talaga. Magkaroon kami ng sariling office kasi lumalaki na rin yung family dito sa MG Toys.
So, if I am a collector of Gundams, statues, action figures, art collections, Bear Bricks, Skull Pandas, Mollies, we approach you.
Yes.
We approach you.
Yes. Or my staff also. Marami na rin tayong pinagkakatiwala ng staff dito like si Sir Adrian and si Sir Boyet.
Si Sir Boyet ang nag-aalaga sa amin most of the time sa ano namin. Okay. Any final words, sir, sa mga viewers natin sa audience who wants to start collecting or already collectors who want to expand yung variety nila?
Yes, oo. Yun nga, you may visit our flagship store here in Parkal Mall, Asiana City, MG Toys and Collectibles at Unit 202, Banig Building. So, kung kayo ay isang mga enthusiast or starting as a collector, we can suggest you kung ano yung much better para sa collections ninyo. So, from small ones to big ones, name it, we can help you pagdating sa pagko-collect. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this short video, our tour in our flagship store here in Parkal Mall. And remember, MG Toys is always here to bring out the child in you. Thank you guys.